Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you how to do a smooth speed ramp in Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So here we are, and we now have this sample footage right here, which we will be using. And the first thing that you would need to do is to expand your tray right here in your timeline. So make sure that you can see this right here. As you can see, I have this button right here, or this line right here. So make sure that you can see this line. And then the next thing is, once you have expanded this, then you right click on your footage, and then from here click on show clip keyframes, go into timer mapping, go into speed, and then you would have this line right here which would control your speed of your footage. And then the next thing that we will do is, now we're gonna go and add a marker right here. So you can hold down your Alt key and press anywhere you want to adjust your speed. So in my case, I want to adjust it by this time of the footage. So I'm gonna go click here while holding my control key so that I will be able to put this right here. And then I would be speeding that up just like that. And now to make things smoother, I would drag this out right here. Now I have this one right here, because if you don't drag this, you would have a very steep transition of your speed. It would be very abrupt, it would not be smooth. So you would need to drag this out just like that. And now we have this curve graph right here, which would make our transition of speed much smoother. And to make it even smoother, you can click on one of these markers right here. So in this case, I'll just click on this one, and then I'm gonna go and twist this right here. We have this circle at the middle, so you can just twist that and it would make the graph much more smoother. So I can just drag this up right here so that we can see the graph getting more smoother, more evidently. So I can go and make this right here, rotate this and make it much smoother just like that. As you can see, I am controlling the steepness of the transition right here. So you can also do that to make your transition smoother. And then just like that, we now have a very smooth speed transition right here. And then the next thing is that if you are doing this in slow motion, then what I suggest is, before you play your video, is that you want to right click and go into time interpolation and click on optical flow. Especially if you don't have a high frame rate for your video, you would need optical flow so that it would be much smoother when you play it in slow motion. But in this case, we are currently speeding up our video, so we don't need optical flow that much. So that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. If you found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe, because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.